Okay. After message, Reverend Shaloko. Yeah? Reverend Shaloko, I want you to know that, with all due respect, saying that some people are insulting Father Mbaka because of a layman, Ebuka Obi, I want to understand, sir. Are you saying that a layman, let me even borrow this word, layman I only use. Are you trying to say that Evangelist Ebuka Obi deserves insult and abuse, but Father Mbaka deserves any of it because he's a reverend father? I want to understand, honestly, when are you people ever coming out to caution these people who recruit other people to keep insulting Evangelist Ebuka Obi? But everybody is just seeing that they are insulting reverend fathers. Look, let me tell you, the respect I give you as my Ukochukwu na Anglican Church, because I am a born Anglican. The respect I give you as my Ukochukwu is the same respect I give Father Mbaka as a Catholic priest. It is the same respect that I give Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Yes, as a spiritual director of his ministry. That is the same respect Mmenya Adeboye as the bishop of his own church. I don't even put discrimination anywhere. So if any one of you deserve for disrespect or insult, none of you deserve it at all. It is as good as that. What is good for one is good for all. But if you want to make it look like this person is free to be insulted, but this person cannot be insulted, it is not possible. It is not possible. It is not possible. Let me give you an instance so that you will know that now, when anybody deal anybody, maybe anything. Mbaho, your video na trend about Ijebula Janilo. A lot of people came after you na social media. Did you not see 1, 2, or 3 of my videos or more of my videos? Mmelu, because of you, Naja had put in a J-Blue. Did I communicate with you? Have I spoken with you on phone? Apart from what time they far? What time they far? What time they far? Yeah, there was an incident of a complaint that came up sometime. That was when I spoke with you on phone. But all those period made that video about I was making a video more like a good Father Shaloko, Oriaja, Okona Abaja, and all these things. Have we spoken on phone? Did you contact me? Did you pay me? The answer is no. So it baffles me when people who love somebody, people who see God through somebody, people who believe in the ministry of somebody, stand up to say, we cannot allow you to talk down on our spiritual director. Ona say, no, we don't no, we don't onende na akwụgwọ kedu ndị a na-akwụ ụgwọ ka nna achụ. Who are those people a na-akwụ ụgwọ? Ịghọtago? Unu nwa ndị ụkọchukwu and clergymen, if you people want to maintain peace, stop taking sides. I have to be honest with you, sir, with all due respect. If you people want to maintain peace, for as long as you keep making it look like this one deserves disrespect, but this one ain't deserve because of no you white, it is a hell no for me. I have to be honest with you. It is a hell no for you, for me. For example, have you seen how you made your video without making any direct remarks on the person of Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Have you seen? But when somebody make a video, yes, of course, you condemned Ifo Kurumaka, a reverend sister, but you did not make any direct passes at him, at his person. Have you seen how neutral that video can be? Apart from the part of trying to exonerate Father Mbaka, telling us that he is this, that he is that, so Are you trying to tell me that na nyanwa na ndo to deserve they disrespect Evangelist Ebuka Obi, but ndo to Evangelist Ebuka Obi na pula because na Father Mbaka wo Elijah and not Jesus Christ call you for God's sake. After maybe Father Chibo na-ekwu na ọwụ na-achọzie akụrie this remaining table onye ọ na-anakpuo. After maybe Father Chibo na-ekwu all because of this kind of thing. Father Chibo ji will drop that kind of statement. Let everybody be cautioned. Let everybody be cautioned. You cannot watch Father Mbaka stand in his pulpit and label Evangelist Ebuka Obi fake. He has practically said everything and nobody is cautioning him. Nobody is cautioning him. Nobody is cautioning him. Somebody who is a leader of millions of people. You think that millions of people that are following him, that all of them are going to fold their hands? As for those people in Ekuna, I've just given you an example. I've just given you an example. Oga make a video. Father Shaloko, Ojoku Eriaja. Na kwagasin den asin on eje menka. Na obosaya menka. Obosaya fugi jeribu aja menka. I made several videos there, even when I have not spoken with you. You may not even have seen some of those videos. So somebody on anchor might as well assume that Father Shaloko paid me. But the fact is that I never established any form of communication with you by then. So, all this mad opinion on Facebook, unless no all we are asking is only want to respect you. Only want to respect you. Something you know that it is not good for you. Don't do it for another, to another person. People who are going to Evangelist Ebuka Obi's ministry are not all Catholics. They are not all Catholics. All of them are not Catholics. Moreover, there are those Catholics who also believe in his call. Now, they might have received one testimony just like somebody from America last night, giving me a testimony of Ntosiwenwe breakthrough, instant breakthrough. That testimony was not showed on any Zion pages. But somebody was giving me that testimony. He even gave me a testimony of somebody from South Africa or connect to Zion. The breakthrough that person with. So such people, it will be difficult for you to convince them otherwise. Even this family clinic, the mother I condemn, and some of this teaching, Evangelist Ebuka Obi the mother I say not vulgar. I have interacted with people who told me that those teachings changed a certain part of their lives. Mandela Gwamna, Ofodo family clinic, now build their family. Yeah? So, all these things, these people whom we're going to encounter, first class encounter with those things, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, it will be difficult for you to prove them otherwise. To prove otherwise to them. So, why can't everybody respect themselves? Asekono no Chineke ka na akotaro mmadu onye nwere ụzọ o yesi wee wu net ya nya wu net ya. What is very important is that na akotaro chukwu mmadu mana apụta na ekwu Catholic priest so Catholic priest nwe monopoly imi ife sori ya. So Catholic priest committee ife do against the law na Nigeria ayato yenga because no a Catholic priest. Yeah, let us stop all that. Makonye Father Mbaka amohomonyo fast. As long as not your code to Ebuka, no more Ebuka, we keep saying lemon. So you as my Okochuku, so will it be right if I say that you can insult me for all you want, but I cannot say anything to you because Newo Okochuku? Check you now. Respect is reciprocal. You gotta go. Respect is reciprocal. Onye luo, ya respect ya ibe. Okari hetua. You made your video from any personal remark on the person of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Go and watch the videos of those people you are trying to defend. When they make their video, they make personal attack on him. And when they do that and make personal assertions on him, you are expecting people not to reply. Always yoku. Somebody took a father with joy has said all manner of things about the person of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. The attack is personal. The criticism is destructive. Yeah? It is not constructive. So that is what people are trying to correct. Naga dunu noka or exactly if I know. Yeah? See, forget about real Catholic or people who are not real Catholics. You gotta go. I've made a video about engineer Akano Sike, who built a Catholic church. But he said that where he encountered Christ was a Dominion city. So I want to tell me, what are you going to tell him about his pastor in Dominion City, even though he is a born Catholic and he's still a Catholic? Because for spending such amount of money to build a Catholic church, what it shows is that he's a pure Catholic. But where his encounter with Christ started was a Dominion City. So these two congregations, they play a vital role in his life. You cannot talk down on the other person, the other one, and leave the other one. You cannot talk down on this one and leave this one. The same thing is applicable to so many people, not in between Zion and the Catholic Church. What can reconcile all this is let people respect themselves. As long as Father Mbaka, Father Webejoy, and the rest of them keep throwing shade at Evangelist Ebuka Obi, they are going to keep receiving the measure of what they give. As for who paid who, let us forget about that one. It has become a normal language in Facebook that when people say opinion that is contrary to our own, we assume that they have been paid. By who exactly? I don't know. So if Evangelist Ebuka Obi is assumed to be paying people, Kelonya na Akunde may speak on behalf of Mbaka and other people. Yes. If you are assuming that Nobulo Evangelist Ebuka Obi did anybody to go and speak for him, did Mbaka send people to come and speak for him? Was it Mbaka who sent you, for instance? It wasn't him who sent you. You spoke out of your own observation and how you feel about what is going on. So, is it right if I assume that, no, it wasn't Mbaka who sent you? You see, that is how it is, sir. Eh? Catholic Church is not the only church in Nigeria. Anglican, Methodist, Pentecostal, and so many other congregations. So let us stop all this. Yeah? Let us stop all this. If he continues to sound the way he sounds, the Rainbow Father Mbaka, I personally and many others will assume that he's jealous. Yeah? Is he not jealous? If you want to correct somebody, you can correct somebody constructively on a way forward and not trying to destroy or bring down what that person has built. When you come out of your pulpit to tell people, you are trying to destroy what somebody has built. That is destructive criticism. It is not constructive in any way. Because constructive criticism will condemn a particular thing that you have done and give a direction for the way forward. Constructive criticism is designed to build and not designed to destroy. What Father Mwebe and the Mbaka and the others are doing is designed to destroy what has been built. It is an attack. And I want everybody to understand that. I still remain Ezeugo. Eh? Highest. Sikwe ewo jenya. Egotago. Ko basta mala